We can actually use video games to help with your ADD. Video games that kids play at home really aren't helping their brain very much because their brain's kind of going into an idle state, which it often does with ADD. Here, their brain has to be focused and get into the optimal arousal level and get into the brain profile it needs to perform well and get in the zone for the game to work. So when we're focusing, we may be able to make a middle rocket ship beat other ones in a race. And if we drift, the left boat is going to advance, and it's telling our brain, oh, guess what? We didn't even realize we're drifting. Let's get in gear and let's start focusing again. So you're getting a window into how our brain is really operating, having a way to change that. So it's teaching the brain really how to get unstuck and get active properly. Playing video games and using our hands, now we can use our brain to get ourselves mentally fit. So we can actually control what's occurring on the screen and have impact on that and make things move just by focusing and directing our attention properly, getting ourselves into the proper mood and arousal level that we would like to have. What attracts me to this field and this kind of training is we don't have to seek medication, which is always good because we're learning to internally change our nervous system where we don't have to rely on drugs. So you're really learning to run your brain, get it unstuck, and get into the mode that it needs to be, that you always want it to be. You know, an understanding of one's brain waves and through analysis can give us a lot of insight and understanding about how we're performing and why we've done things in our life. It gives us the opportunity to understand that and takes the onus of responsibility off. If we've had some problems in a certain area, for example, focus, we think, oh, we're not trying hard enough. But actually, our system may be wired that way. And so through proper training and remediation, we can reverse that. Through repetition and practicing, training our brain, getting this appropriate feedback, our brain learns through neuroplasticity, meaning that our brain can change, grow, heal itself, can establish new pathways, and through repetition and practice, that will start occurring outside of the office on an automatic basis. We become very aware when we're losing our attention, if we're getting upset over things. We learn to let things that bother us transition. So we're really going to the gym for our brain and doing mental fitness training.